Hey, hey, my little rock pack! It's me, Luna Shredz, the guitar queen of the crew with DJ D and Biggie Bones. Today I'm showing you my super cool electric guitar. It's shiny, it's heavy, and those 6 strings go and make everyone wanna jump and dance.
Look, this long wooden part is the neck. I slide my paws up and down it like the fastest slide in the park.
These metal lines are frets. When I press a string just behind a fret, the sound goes higher. Like whoosh, up we go. 6 strings, thickest is low E, then A, D, G, B, and the thinnest high E. Together they make riffs, chords, and epic solos. Ding, ding, ding! Down here are the humbuckers. 2 big black pickups under the strings. They grab all the vibration strings and send them to the amp, so it gets super loud and pop! How do I play? I hold it ready to rock, pluck or strum with my paw. Strum! Sometimes I use a pick for extra sharp ding-zing-zoom sounds. The best part? When we jam together, DJ D spins the decks, Biggie smashes the drums, and I drop big riffs and solos. Wow, wow, wow! The whole crowd goes wild! Watch this quick riff. Now you tell me in the comments, which string is your favorite? The thick low one or the thin high one? Want me to show an easy riff you can try next time? Subscribe and hit the bell for more guitar fun with Luna Shredz. Rock on, little shredders! D, chill out. Relax by the pool.
A dragonfly! I have to get it! Almost got it! Stay still!
D, watch out! You're going to...
Whoa! Not today!
Oh, D.